Hello students, welcome to your 8th maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJ DAV School Haripura. Today in 8th maths we were doing chapter 12, that is constructions of quadrilaters. Firstly I will tell you the meaning of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four sided figure. कोई भी फिगर हो सकती है, पैरेललोग्राम, ट्रेपीजियम, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, काइट, all these are the types of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four sided figure. In 7th class you already constructed triangle. It means you know the something about the construction. Now in this we will have to construct a quadrilateral. Their first question is construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which sides, measurement of sides are given, and you have to measure the diagonal BD. First of all we will construct a rough diagram with the hand of, and the name of figure is A, B, C and D. Now give their measurement. AB that is 4 centimeter, then write 4 centimeter. BC that is 5 centimeter, and CD that is the 4.5 centimeter, and AD that is 5.5 centimeter. And now diagonal AC, this one is the diagonal, that is 7.5 centimeter. It means all the four sides and one diagonal is the given. And first of all we will start from the AB. Firstly take a line segment AB, that is 4 centimeter. Right here A and B, that is the 4 centimeter. Now take your pencil and the compass and measure this. Now from B you know that BC line is a 5 centimeter. So measure your radius, that is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter measure karoge. Now put the pin point at the B point and draw an arc. Now from A to C we also know that because we are finding the C point कि ए बी हमें लाइन गिवन है तो हम सी पॉइंट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज बी से सी की लेंथ भी हमें गिवन है, ए से सी की लेंथ भी गिवन है, तो बी से सी वाली आर्क हमने लगा दी, तो ए से सी की आर्क दैट इज द 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो फर्स्टली वी विल मेजर दैट 7.5 सेंटीमीटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास. 7.5 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस ओपन करेंगे and after that cut this line. Now join these points, intersection points of the arc with the B and A. Now you got the C point. You can also extend these line like this कि ये बाहर नहीं निकालनी है तो उसके लिए डरना नहीं है. You can also extend these lines. Now you got the C point. Now you also know the distance of C and D and A and D. Now with the help of this C point you got point D. Firstly measure the 4.5 centimeter, that is CD. Open your compass radius, that is 4.5. Put the pin point at D and draw an arc. Now measure 5.5 centimeter and open your compass with radius 5.5. Now put the pin point at A and draw the arc. And now you go to the D point, join these points. And now after that you have to measure the diagonal BD. First of all draw the diagonal, and after that measure it. This is the intersection point, means D point, and here is the B point, that is the 5.6 centimeter. and write all the measurement that you have, the length of the sides. Give the name of the figure and the measurements of the sides and diagonals. And when you read the all the statements of this worksheet number 1, you आपको यही पता चलेगा कि all the sides and one diagonals are given. You all in all the statements you got, and similarly you can draw the others diagram. Now you can draw your all the questions. Thank you.